Oxygen transport moves oxygen from air to tissues. We'll explore this vital process step by step. Lungs, vessels, and red blood cells. Oxygen moves downhill via partial pressure. Atmosphere, alveoli, arterial blood, tissues, venous blood. Partial pressure of oxygen, 160, 104, 95, 70 millimeters Hg. Oxygen exists dissolved in plasma. Mostly, it's bound to hemoglobin and RBCs. Hemoglobin has 4 subunits. Hb plus O2, HbO2, reversible binding. Iron, Fe squared minus, is crucial. The oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. It's sigmoid, shaped. X-axis, PO2. Y-axis, %HB saturation. Loading zone lungs, plateau. Unloading zone tissues, steep part. Y-shaped. Cooperative binding. T-state to R-state transition. Affinity increases after the first O2 binds. P50 concept. P50 equals 27 mm Hg. Higher P50 equals lower affinity, right shift. Lower P50 equals higher affinity, left shift. Right shift factors. Exercising muscle, co-ithnan temperature, pH, ithnan thalatha, DPG. Curve shifts right. More oxygen released to tissues. Bohr effect. Double Bohr effect. Placenta. Mother and fetus. Maternal HB shifts right. Fetal HB shifts left. Oxygen transfer to fetus increases. Clinical correlation. Exercise more oxygen delivery. High altitude increase 2, 3 dpg. Carbon monoxide blocks Hb. Summary. Oxygen mostly carried by hemoglobin. Sigmoid curve. Safety in lungs. Delivery in tissues. Right shift helps tissues. Left shift promotes oxygen loading. Understanding oxygen transport is key. It's the foundation of respiratory physiology. This concludes our overview. Thank you for watching. We hope this was helpful. Good luck with your studies. Remember these key concepts. Review the curve and factors. Understand the Bohr effect. Consider clinical correlations. Think about fetal oxygenation. Oxygen transport is essential. Master these basics. You'll succeed in physiology. Keep learning and exploring. The body is a marvel. Continue your medical journey.